In this lesson, we'll teach you how to write a letter to a friend in 10 easy steps. We'll also end with a lesson challenge to test your knowledge. Let's begin with step 1. Write down some ideas. You could think of some questions to ask your friend, plans for the future, what you like about them, and how you feel about them. Here are some ideas to help you out. The first time you both met, a song your friend loves listening to, a secret that only you know about, a celebrity or real-life crush they have, a dream you recently had about them, make plans to meet up soon, and so on. Step 2. Choose your stationery. Use some cool stationery to make your letter more special. The key to choosing good stationery is to know your best friend. Whatever their interests are, try to include them in the stationery choice. This stationery could include writing paper, pens, and even colored pencils. Step 3. Start your letter with a greeting. Start by writing down a greeting to your friend. In formal letters, the greeting starts with, "Dear." However, since this is a letter to your friend, you want to be less formal and more friendly. Here are some ways to start your letter. Hi, hello there, hiya, and hey. Step 4. Write the opening sentence. You want to start the letter off by acknowledging your friend. You could make a short general statement like, "Hope you're doing well." Or make it more personal, by referencing a recent event that happened to them. For example, "I've just heard you moved to New York." Or "I'm sorry I haven't been in touch with you for so long." Step 5. State the reason why you are writing. Was it because you wanted to hear from them? Was it because they recently did something nice for you? Or is there some information that you want to share with them? Here are some examples of how you might start the paragraph. As you may have already heard, "I'm writing to ask you a favor," or "I have some big news to tell you." Step 6. Ask about your friend. In the next paragraph, ask your friend a short question like, "How have you been?" or "What have you been up to lately?" This shows that you are interested in and care about your friend's life. You could even talk about a recent event. For example, "Have you heard the news about? Did you go to the town festival last week?" Or "I heard you went to a birthday party last week. How was it?" Step 7. Write the closing paragraph. Here you can thank your friend for reading the letter, and express how much you value their friendship. This will make your friend feel great, and even inspire them to write back to you. Here are some examples of closing lines. "Thank you so much for reading this letter. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I will always be here for you no matter what." Or "Please come visit me if you ever get a chance." Step 8. Sign off with your name. When closing off a letter to your friend, keep it light and friendly. Examples of good sign-offs include, "Lots of love, warmest regards, all my love, all my best," or "Until next time." Step 9. Add some finishing touches. Now that your letter is complete, finish it off by adding some stickers, drawings, and doodles. You could even include a photograph or two of you and your friend together, as a nice sentimental reminder of your friendship. Sometimes friends like sharing small gifts with each other like sweets, rings, or something you made yourself, like an origami swan or fox. Step 10. Put the letter in an envelope. If you choose to deliver the letter personally to your friend, then you can include just your friend's name on the envelope. Alternatively, if you plan on sending the letter by post, then make sure to include your friend's address, a stamp, and a return address. You might also want to seal your letter with a sticker, or some sparkly tape. This will make your letter feel more personal and special. And that's it, you have now written a beautiful and personal letter to your friend. They'll treasure it forever. because you took the time to create something unique just for them. For today's lesson challenge, can you think of one friend to write a letter to, and write down at least 3 questions you would like to ask them? Thank you for watching. For a written guide on how to write a letter to your friend, please see the link in the video description below. That's all from us today. See you next time for another writing lesson.